Hello everyone. Welcome to English Learning Studio. Today we're going to watch a simple conversation about dinner at a restaurant. In this video, you will follow a natural story between two friends as they go out for dinner and enjoy their time together. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the conversation. Before we begin, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. Today's question: what food does Zara enjoy the most during dinner? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hey Zara, you know something?
What is it?
I was just thinking, we haven't gone out for dinner in a long time.
Yeah, you're right. It's been quite a while.
Exactly. We've been so busy with our daily routine that we forgot to enjoy a nice evening.
That's true. Life has been a bit boring lately.
So, I was thinking, how about we go out tonight?
Really? Like dinner outside?
Yes, tonight I want to treat you to dinner.
That sounds really nice. I wasn't expecting that.
That sounds really nice. I wasn't expecting that. That sounds really nice. I wasn't expecting that. Sometimes surprises are good.
They really are. I'm actually feeling excited now. So where should we go?
Good question. Do you have anything in mind?
Maybe somewhere quiet and comfortable, not too crowded.
Yeah, I agree. I want a place where we can sit and talk peacefully.
Exactly. Not a fast food place. Something more relaxing.
So, a proper restaurant.
Yes. Maybe with good lighting and nice music.
That sounds perfect. What kind of food do you feel like eating? Maybe something warm and tasty. Not too heavy, but still satisfying.
You're making me hungry already.
That's the plan.
Okay, then I should get ready.
Yeah, take your time.
I want to look nice tonight.
You always look nice.
That's sweet, but still, I'll change.
All right, I'll get ready too.
Hey, Alex, what are you wearing?
Maybe a casual shirt, something simple.
That's good. Nothing too formal.
Yeah, just comfortable. You look really nice.
Thank you. You look good too.
So, are you excited?
Yes, I am. It feels different. In a good way.
Yeah, it's nice to take a break from routine.
Exactly. We needed this.
Wow, this place looks even better than I expected.
Yeah. The lights are so warm and soft. It feels really calm.
Exactly. Not too bright, not too dark. Perfect for dinner.
I really like this kind of environment. It feels peaceful.
I'm glad you like it. I was a little unsure at first.
Really? Why?
I wasn't sure if it would be too crowded or too noisy.
It doesn't look too crowded.
Yeah, I think we came at the right time.
You know, this already feels special.
That's what I wanted.
Thank you for bringing me here.
Hey, the night just started.
Okay, let's go inside.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Welcome.
Thank you. Do you have a table for two?
Yes, we do. Would you like to sit inside or near the window?
Yes, near the window, please.
Of course. Please follow me.
This place looks really well organized.
Thank you, sir. We try our best to keep it comfortable for our guests. Here is your table.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please have a seat.
Ah, this feels really comfortable.
Yeah, I like this place already.
The decoration is simple, but very elegant.
Exactly. Nothing too fancy, but still beautiful.
And the lighting is perfect. It makes everything feel warm.
Yeah, it creates a nice mood.
And look, we can see the street from here.
Yeah, that's a good view.
I love sitting near the window.
I feel so calm right now.
Me too. It's like all the stress is gone for a moment.
That's why I wanted to bring you out tonight.
You did a really good job. There are so many options.
Yeah, it's a bit confusing.
I don't know what to choose.
Same here. Everything looks good.
They have pasta, grilled chicken, soup.
I feel like having something warm.
Me too. Maybe soup is a starter.
That sounds good. What about the main dish? Maybe grilled chicken or rice-based dish?
You always go for chicken.
Yeah, I guess I do.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are.
What would you like?
We would like 2 soups to start.
Of course.
And for the main course, 1 grilled chicken.
All right.
And 1 rice dish.
Anything to drink?
Just water for now.
Sure. I will bring your order soon.
Thank you.
I'm already feeling hungry.
Same here.
The smell of food is making it worse.
Yeah, it smells really good.
I'm glad we came here.
Me too. We needed this time together.
Yeah, sometimes simple moments like this feel special.
Exactly.
Wow, this looks really good.
Yeah, the presentation is nice.
I like how it's arranged on the plate.
Me too. It makes the food more appealing. How is it?
It's really tasty. The rice is soft and the flavor is nice.
That's great. Yeah, this is good.
You always say that about chicken.
Okay, but this time I really mean it.
All right, I believe you. This is actually very satisfying.
Yeah, I feel the same.
You know, eating at home is good, but sometimes eating outside feels special.
Exactly. The environment makes a big difference.
And also the company.
Yeah, that too.
I think this is my favorite part of the day.
Really?
Yes, just sitting, eating, and talking like this.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Can we have the bill, please?
Of course. I will bring it right away.
That was a really nice meal.
I'm glad you liked it.
Here is your bill.
Thank you.
Okay.
How would you like to pay?
I'll pay by card.
All right.
The payment is done.
Yes, payment successful. Thank you.
You are welcome.
That was really nice.
Yeah, I'm happy we did this.
Thank you for the dinner. I really enjoyed it.
You're welcome. I'm glad you had a good time.
I think this was my favorite meal in a long time.
That means I chose the right place.
Yes, you did.
We should do this more often.
Definitely.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question one more time. What food does Zara enjoy the most during dinner? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write it in the comments section. By practicing English like this, you can improve your speaking and thinking skills more effectively. On this channel, I share simple and easy English stories to help beginners learn natural conversations step by step. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Bye, everyone.